Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video. And my this video is about some different length of pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you see, this golden color heel looks really nice, a very pretty color, and as you know, this one is also a shiny thing that looks really nice and beautiful, and it looks really nice. Red color heel with the transparent thing that looks really amazing and pretty. And this one is also a very beautiful heel. It looks really nice, a beautiful black color and the shiny material and that looks really pretty. And this one is also a very beautiful red color, like very beautiful shine and a very different kind of heel. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and pretty. And as you see, this heel looks really amazing with your eastern kind of dresses, and these looks really beautiful with your office wear. And this one is also a very appropriate for office wear and V-shape from the front that looks really pretty, and it looks really decent kind of look. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty golden color heel that looks really nice and really amazing. And this one is also a very pretty white color heel. It looks really different. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.